Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the Westmoreland area. I am at the Bluefields River. So keep on watching. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, man. So a lot of persons pass them place here, coming from all the airport. Yeah, man. So I'm showing you, giving a quick view of the river. So keep on watching, guys. So this is the main road. As you can see, quality since 1922, Grace Bluefields River. Yeah, man, so they can see Appleton Estate. Yeah, man. So them place here, the St. Elizabeth. So if you don't want to rum tour, you don't have to go to Appleton Estate. Yeah, man, you can get to know all different type of rums, you know. So look at the beauty of Bluefields River in Westmoreland. Yeah, man, so you need to check out them place here. When you pass them place here and you see the sign, just even to stop and take some pictures of our beautiful Jamaica. Jamaica land we love, you know. So keep on watching. I'm gonna take you a bit closer to the water stream. So keep on watching. Yeah, man, so you can get on a jerk chicken. Same place for the spot here, so get on a jerk chicken same way. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself and on there yard and abroad, you know. Yeah, man, so the river is right across from the sea area, very close to the sea area. So straight ahead, that's where you can see the Bluefields Sea. So I'm gonna take you closer to the river. So yeah, man, them place here, come out and hang out most of the time, enjoy ourselves. Sometimes we can carry family and friends and have a cookout same way. Just listen keenly and you can hear the nice sound of the water. So you gotta watch your step. Water cold like ice with paper. So there is no place like yard. Yeah man, we call Jamaica, we call it yard. Really hard man vibes. Yeah man, Jamaica nice. Nice scan done. So you gotta be very careful. You gotta watch your steps. So this river run right into the Bluefields Sea. Very cold water, very cold and nice.